everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a meal prep body update and my weekly weigh-in. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Becky, welcome. I would love you to consider subscribing and joining me here on my journey back to health. You guys, this is video number 5, week 3 update to my Project Me series. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Project_Becky B. I do post there daily just for you. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, let's make some taco seasoning. This is some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, cumin, my favorite, pink Himalayan salt, ground black pepper, beautiful mixture right there, taco seasoning. Make sure you guys put the lid on it very tightly and mix it up. Make sure it shakes. Shake it up and mix it up very evenly. Make sure it all mixes together. Alright, we got my pan. I have my scale ready to measure everything. Organic ground turkey. This is my new favorite meat. Two tablespoons of taco seasoning, that's all I need for the ground turkey, and 1 cup of water. Alright, now I sit there and break the meat up, and then I make sure it's evenly mixed. And it's perfect. The water will soak up into the turkey when it cools off. Alright, we're going to do about 1 cup of jasmine rice. You guys make sure you guys rinse it off. Trust me on this, just rinse off your rice. Any kind of rice you use, make sure you rinse it off. Alright, we're going to empty that into the pan. We're going to double the amount of rice we added with water. So we added 1 cup of rice, we're going to add 2 cups of water. I added about a teaspoon or so of pink Himalayan salt, and then about a teaspoon or so of ghee. Let that melt, stir it around. Get that boiling. Get it to a nice boil and let it boil about a minute or 2. Stir it around, and then you want to cover it. In the meantime, go to your timer and set it for about 20 minutes for jasmine rice. Take the cover off. As you can see, it boiled up a little bit. Stir it around, put the cover back on. As you can see, the butter has melted. Make sure you guys just stir it around. I would say every 5 minutes or so. Alright, moving on to cutting up some zucchini. This is organic zucchini. I'm just taking some stickers off. Make sure you guys wash your vegetables. I wash everything. Fruits, vegetables, everything meat. I literally wash everything. Once those are washed off, get out my cutting board. And I forgot to get my heating pads. I put those underneath the cutting board so the cutting board doesn't move while I'm cutting. There's something so satisfying to me about cutting zucchini. Get them all nice and chopped up to almost like a chip form. Alright, we have some Veggie Ranch Dip. This is the light version. Normally I get just the regular version of Ranch Veggie Dip. I decided to do the light to save me on some calories. Make sure you guys put it on something. Don't dip the veggies right into the actual container because it will water it down and it will separate. Alright, one of my favorites, cilantro. I get my cilantro from Aldi's. It tends to stay the best, the longest. Normally, if I have it from anywhere else, like Walmart, Target, Trader Joe's, anywhere, it will go bad fast. So I get it from Aldi's, and it seems to stay about 2 to 3 weeks, and it stays good for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm de-leafing the cilantro, getting it all ready to cut up. So now once I start chopping it up, get that all nice and chopped up. Yes, I'm wearing gloves. I wear gloves for everything I have for years. Alright, here's some organic baby spinach. I got this from Costco. Love organic baby spinach. It goes with everything. Alright, here are some containers I got, and they separate into 3 different compartments. One, I put my spinach in one, I put my meat and rice in one, and then I'm putting my zucchini in one as well. Now, I don't measure out my baby spinach. It's about 1.5 to 2 cups. I just try to get as much in there as I can. The more vegetables, the better. Alright, here's my scale. This is where I weigh everything. I just never used it until now. I'm weighing out my zucchini, something I never thought I would do, but hey, I want a different result, so I have to do something different in life. And this is what I gotta do, and this is what has been working. Alright, the rice is done. See how it doesn't stick to the pan and it's nice and perfect? This is how you want it. Alright, don't judge me. I'm trying here. I'm trying not to get the cilantro everywhere on the oven, and I'm obviously failing. It's okay. Just maybe go a little bit slower, put it in a different container. Try not to do what I'm doing. Now I'm mixing it all up. Yes, I have a lot of cilantro in my rice, but I love cilantro. Turkey, my ground turkey meat is done. It's cooled off. I'm now weighing about 4 ounces approximately. If you guys want me to put the calories in the description box below, let me know. I can put my calories in for this meal prep. Just let me know below. This is about a 1/4 cup of cooked jasmine rice. Alright, so these little containers, I love them, but I hate them. I'd rather use glass so I can just warm up my stuff in the microwave and just have it be done, but I have to empty it out of this container onto a paper plate or a bowl and then put it in the microwave to heat it up. Alright, moving on to my Instapot. I'm using my little potatoes. Yes, I'm counting them out again. This is for dinner. Make sure you guys wash those vegetables off. Now, we don't actually make the steak until later on. I do not videotape that. That is Maurice making the steak. Now, I put my little potatoes in the Instapot. They are done. They are perfect. Perfect. After they cool off, I put them in a plastic bag. Alright, moving on. So I'm getting the sour cream ready and everything while I'm letting my potatoes cool off. This is approximately 4 or so tablespoons of sour cream. Alright, Ezekiel bread. Love Ezekiel bread. Toast it, put some avocado on it, and some eggs. You guys will thank me. It is filling and delicious. Alright, my potatoes have cooled down. I'm going to put them in a plastic bag and get them ready and put them in the refrigerator for dinner later that week.
all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high?
Alright, now last minute I decided to put some hard-boiled eggs in. You guys, make sure you guys get the water to boiling. Put the eggs in. Put it on a timer for 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes and you'll have the perfect hard-boiled egg. Once the timer's done, get all the hot water out as much as possible. Put the cold water on it. You guys will thank me. Trust me, it'll be the easiest boiled egg you've ever made.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some.
Alright, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As always, you guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, project_BeckyB. I do post there daily just for you. Don't forget, you guys can do anything you want to, and don't let anyone tell you any different. Alright, you guys, on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.